Okay, I gotta tell you, I'm not happy with the way the tech worked on this Spyder. Look at this. This will not even open. But look how that's not put together correctly. There's a bolt missing out of here. Look at that. It's not even put together correctly. I'm missing the spring on the brake. You see that little spring that's supposed to go there? That's gone. They didn't even put this thing together correctly. And I've already had it back once. Had it back for one day. Took it back because they didn't have this connected correctly. So now it doesn't even open. So my rain gear's in there. I can't even open it. So I'm not real happy with the techs. So I'm gonna have to take it back again. We get some weather. I'll write it down there and make them fix it again. I took it down there back, had it back a day, and I looked underneath. I said, "Oh my God, they didn't even have the cable hooked up. It's just resting on top of the bracket." So I took it back, excuse me, and they fixed that. Now I can't open that right saddlebag. So they got something screwed up again. That I'm not real happy with the tech. This is in Forney, and they charged me a bunch of money to do this too, and you know, not very good job. I checked at Greenville Power Sports, and they don't even work on Spyders. It's really windy today. I'm gonna cough. I've had a cold. I'm sorry. I've been blowing my nose like crazy for a couple weeks now, and now I've been coughing every now and then. Or coughing all night one night. I'll turn it back on a little bit. Bye. Here we're coming into Royce City. I live about maybe 8 miles from here, but we come here all the time to eat. There's some really good restaurants here. Our favorite is Luigi's right up here. It's Italian food. Pizzas, yeah, I've had the pizza once. It wasn't that great, but the Italian food is fantastic. There's always a lot of traffic through here though. Couple stop signs that take forever to get through here. Full bar and restaurant up there. Haven't been there yet. Well, I'll turn it back on when I get through these lights. I haven't been there excuse me, because I'm not a beer drinker. I'm not a drinker at all, really. So this is Royce City. It's really busy. There's Luigi's right up there on the corner. It's my favorite place. We always park down the street in a parking lot down there that businesses are closed for the time we come down here. But there's Luigi's. Man, I love that place. It is so good. I think I've had everything there so far. Haven't tried Milano's pizza yet either, but Luigi's is fantastic. We'll go there tonight, hopefully. That's the corporate offices for that, what is that, Soul Man's Barbecue. I've had that one time. It's like, the brisket is like lunch meat thin. So I haven't been back. There's a good place right there too that, it's Alumni Grill. That's got pretty good food there. I've been to Arbolitas before, and it's okay. Probably not one of our favorites. I've been to that Mexican restaurant. It's pretty good. And that's why I don't go to Domino's. There's no place to park to pick up a pizza. And there's a Mexican Joe's Meat Market up here that's supposed to be really good. Oh, see, the guy's got a bunch of pizza. I guess there's a couple parking places there. So there's a lot of stuff here, but boy, it's a pain to get through here. There's some kind of a... They usually have live music, like right in there, right up here. Never been down here for the live music. There's a native station too. Wow, this traffic. Brutal with all these stoplights. Well, that was it.